Good morning, beautiful people. For today's video, we are going to prepare a cold salad. So please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.
So we will add the pin pasta. Para siyang oh shit. Nah, I don't like this knife. Piece of crap. Kapit ko masamad guys. Half pineapple guys. Scary boom, scary boom. Kunin natin yung ano. Wow. One cup of sultanas guys. Nice getting Sunbeam brand. So I always choose Sunbeam brand guys. One cup. This is very nice. Very nice. So now we half cup of mayonnaise. Okay. 1/3 cup of condensed. another half a cup of mayonnaise, heaping cup, half a cup of mayonnaise. Thickened cream, 300 ml. Then guys, we will add our pin pasta. Then we will add now our cream and all the dates. Salt, a teaspoon of salt, and pepper. Maybe a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, guys. Okay, that's it. Then we are going to toast this way, like this. So this is now our cold salad. We will put this one to a container. Before you serve the food or before you put to the container, be sure to taste. With the dates, with the pin, with the pineapple, with the sultanas, everything. So taste. Mmm. 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 This is the most delicious cold salad I ever make or I ever made. So you can serve this, guys, in all occasions, but this is good for hot weather like summertime, springtime. So this is because this is cold salad, right? Right, understood? So this is cold salad. Simutin natin, guys, sayang ang ingredients. Okay? So I taste already, guys. This is super yummy. I always double my cling wrap, guys, like this. So we will put this to our fridge, so 3 to 4 hours before serving or overnight. So this is our cold salad. Thank you for watching, everybody. So I hope you learned something out of my preparation, and I wish you can try this at your very own kitchen. And see you on my next video. Thank you for watching from my kitchen to you.